Rossco here, and welcome to another practice session. I'm currently in a place called Carron Valley. I came here last year, took a picture of the waterfall which I'll show you in a second, and it's just one of those places that just looks phenomenal. It's amazing, it's mint. So yeah, I've come back here just to try and practice with a long exposure on the water, now coming over the side of the dam just there. Not only that, I'm using the DJI Mavic, getting that up flying, flew that over the thing just a second ago, and actually let me just pan this thing round, there we go, it's much better. I did try and get the mic for this plugged in, but typical Apple, you need one of those lightning wires in order to plug it in, and I don't have that for my mic, so well, we're screwed on that front. But anyway, yeah, it looks absolutely amazing. Weather's a bit cold, a bit windy as well, so I'm not going to hang around here too much. I was tempted to get the wee sport drone out, the wee FPV one, but again, my luck, it'll end up on the water all that way. But yeah, so I'll just throw something together, throw some of the pictures onto here, and we'll just see how it looks when I get back home, and hopefully it'll be video worthy for you to watch. So next weekend I will be finally heading up into the hills, so we'll have a bagging episode coming up pretty soon. The weather's just been absolutely rubbish these last few weeks. I haven't been actually able to get out and do anything, but hopefully it'll start to get colder, maybe a bit snowier, and then, you know, with the amount of stuff that I've got here, I need Sherpers in order to get all this video gear up there, but it'll look mint anyway. So I'm going to close this video off, and I'll just say that I will see you all later, and hope you enjoy this video, and take it easy guys. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, and give me a follow if you're on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram, I'm at Rossco.Munro Photography. On Instagram you can see some of my top shots. Also, I've got another video coming out soon that I'm kind of in the works of throwing together, and that's my top 5 pictures of 2019. So I'm just going to be looking at those and just generally trying to critique them, see where I went right, see where I went wrong, and then see if we can improve on them for this year. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, I'll see you later, enjoy the video.